What is a flush in poker? There are several types of flushes in poker, but all of them are made up of 5 cards that are from the same suit. If your hand includes cards from multiple suits, you cannot have a flush. The most basic type of flush is any 5 cards from the same suit. If multiple players have a flush, the flush with the highest card wins. The example shown would be a 10 high flush in hearts. The next example is a king high flush in hearts. It would beat the 10 high flush. While a flush must be all of the same suit, the suit does not matter in poker for determining the strongest hand. The next type of flush is a straight flush. A straight flush will always beat a normal flush. A straight flush consists of any 5 cards of the same suit in sequential order. The first example shown is a 10 high straight flush. If 2 or more players have a straight flush, then the straight flush with the highest card wins. This example is a 6 high straight flush, in which case the 10 high shown before would have won this hand. The last type of flush is a royal flush. This hand will always consist of a 10, joker, queen, king, and ace cards, all in the same suit. It is the rarest type of flush and will beat any other hand. In the event 2 or more players have the exact same winning hand, the pot is split between them. Now you know what a flush is in poker. Please like and subscribe for more videos about casino, card games, and more. Now, I have just a quick offer for you guys. If you are interested in playing poker online for real money, check out the special link on your screen or click the link in the description. Bovada is one of the oldest and most trusted online casinos on the web, offering a full range of casino games, including poker, blackjack, slots, sports betting, and more. It's free to join and start playing, and if you use the link on your screen, Bovada will match your first deposit up to $500 when you are ready to start playing for real money.